In this training session, we'll guide you through how to set up a trade account and manage purchases within your admin dashboard. To begin, navigate to the icon in the top right-hand corner of the page and select Site Admin. Navigate to the left-hand sidebar and select Trade Accounts, then select Account List. Here, you'll see a list of all existing accounts. To add a new one, select the option to create a new account. If your system integration is already configured, the platform will only require you to input the account code. However, you also have the option to manually create accounts before integration is complete. You will see the mandatory fields have an asterisk next to them. You will also need to add an invoice address if creating the account before the integration. This information should populate from your accounting system once the integration is set up. Once the information is filled out, click Create Account to finalize setup. To add purchases or make changes to the account, navigate to the Edit Details section. From here, you can update payment methods. Add pay by link references. Add multiple delivery addresses, which is useful for organizations with several warehouse locations. You can also upload a custom account logo. Simply upload a logo file and save the changes. Once saved, you'll see the logo displayed within the account profile. To assign purchasers to the account, scroll to the bottom of the page and select Add New Purchaser. You'll need the purchaser's full name, email address, and telephone number. For this demonstration, we'll use a sample email address to illustrate. If you'd like this purchaser to have account manager privileges, allowing them to view order history and manage orders, check the corresponding box. You can also select a default delivery address for this purchaser. You have the option to personalize the email they will receive once their login has been created. If required, we can set a default message for you. Please get in touch with the onboarding lead for further information. Set a password for the purchaser and then select Save Changes. Once the purchaser has been added, they'll receive an email with their login details, including their username and password, providing all necessary information for the user to access their account and begin placing orders.